In a world where the absurd becomes the norm and every day feels like the plot of a satirical novel, we find ourselves once again at the crossroads of sanity and spectacle. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the latest episode of The News as Absurd as It Gets, where we navigate the topsy-turvy tales of our times with a healthy dose of irony and a side of wit. Today, we focus our lens on the curious case of a federal judge and a 225-year-old law that suddenly finds itself at the heart of a modern-day political drama. Picture this. It's the year 1798. John Adams sits in the presidential seat, and someone thought it was a great idea to create a law that could deport foreign nationals during wartime. Fast forward to today, where we find President Donald Trump, our commander-in-chief with a penchant for the theatrical, dusting off this ancient piece of legislation to quite literally send Venezuelan nationals packing. Yes, folks, we're talking about the Alien Enemies Act, a relic of a different time, now starring in its own political reality show. Enter Judge James Boasberg, the unlikely protagonist of our story. This weekend, he made headlines by issuing an emergency order that temporarily halts President Trump's use of this age-old law. Why? Because apparently deporting Venezuelan nationals, including alleged members of the Tren de Aragua gang, might cause irreparable harm. Who knew that enforcing age-old laws could have such modern-day consequences? Judge Boasberg, siding with the plaintiffs, Democracy Forward, in the ACLU, decided that a 14-day timeout was necessary. This, of course, didn't sit well with the administration. Trump's border czar, Tom Homan, ever the embodiment of subtlety, responded with a resolute, "We are not stopping," on his favorite morning show, Fox and Friends. It appears the administration is determined to continue its quest to redefine border security, one ancient law at a time. Now, dear viewers, here's where we pause for a brief intermission. While you're chuckling at the absurdity of it all, why not take a moment to hit that subscribe button? Join our merry band of satirical news enthusiasts as we navigate the political circus together. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you appreciate a good dose of irony with your current events. So what's next in this saga of judicial gymnastics and executive overreach? Will the Trump administration find a way to circumvent Judge Boasberg's restraining order? Will they perhaps unearth another long-forgotten law to bolster their case? Or will the judicial branch continue to be the thorn in the side of Trump's immigration policy? In the grand tradition of interactive media, we turn the question over to you, our astute audience. What do you make of this legal tug-of-war? Is the Alien Enemies Act a tool of justice, or just another chapter in the book of political absurdities? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let the wisdom of the crowd guide our understanding of this peculiar time we live in. As we wrap up today's episode, let us ponder the delicate balance of power in a democracy where the past and present collide in unexpected ways. In the age of Trump, where every day is an episode of Who Wants to Be a Constitutional Scholar, we find ourselves asking, what will tomorrow bring? Thank you for joining us on this satirical journey through the news. Remember to subscribe for more ironic insights and laugh-out-loud moments. Until next time, keep questioning, keep laughing, and keep watching the spectacle that is modern-day politics.